Hello friends, many of you were asking about resin. I'll show you basic method. So first thing, it depends on the quality of resin. I have this one. Okay, I got it in Singapore. So in this one, we have to measure the equal amount, not equal weight. Okay, 1:1. The other resins in which we have to do according to weight. So this is my weighing machine. We'll switch on this. We'll put a glass on it, plastic glass. Suppose I can see this glass has weight 8.4 gram. Now, I'm not doing this with weight right now. So, I will do it without weighing machine. Now, this particular resin what I have, instructions here says that you mix equal amount. So, to make perfectly equal volume, I have this medicines cap, which many of you must be having. So there are bottle A and bottle B. We have to take equal amount from both the bottles. I'm taking very little amount initially. Let me see. It's exactly 10 ml of pouring A. Even if it is little bit, by milligrams also if it is different, then I have seen the results are not good. So I am just doing with a very small amount right now. So I took liquid A and now same amount you can see is liquid B, because this particular resin instructions say that you take amounts perfectly equal, and resin should not have any water droplet in it. You know, resin and water, they are very much empty each other. So now I have to mix well. When we will mix it, we will find lots of bubbles in it. We have to keep on mixing. Mixing is very, very important. We will mix. For about 3 minutes, we have to mix it so that both the liquids are mixed well. There are some resins in which it is written ratio 3:5. So that means in that you have to take 3 measures of one and 5 measures of other one. There are some resins in which it is written by weight. So exactly we have to measure the empty glass, and then we have to take the liquid in it. Suppose you have taken 50 gram, then you will take another liquid also 50 gram in 2 glasses or in the same glass, depends on you, and then mix it very, very well. Okay, it's very important to mix. Now you can see it has become little cloudy like this. So I will pour it on this pendant. For pendant and all, you need very little amount. You don't need, and surface where you are pouring should be perfectly horizontal. Once you pour the resin on anything, then you cannot move it for at least for 5 to 6 hours unless it becomes solidifies, and the base surface should be horizontal. Okay friends, I have mixed this in the ratio 1:1, and now I am going to pour it into a tray. So to pour it in the tray, I am using those colors, these colors, and this is the silicone gel which I have put one drop, and now we have to mix it very fast, really fast, this is the color for the sand. So I have mixed it and I am going to pour it here as fast as possible. So there is still some color in the glass, which I will try to pour on this. And with silicone gel, you get a bubble type feeling. Now after doing this, I will move the tray. You can see this way. I am moving the tray and it will give the sand effect. We can spread it little bit with spatula and we can manipulate little bit to give the effect of sand. Okay, so our step 1 is over. I'm going to make a seascape. Now next is how to show the water. Now just remember, in this I have taken this color, a bit of this color, like okay, when I'll mix next one I will show you how much. I'm sorry, I should have shown you. And 1 drop of this silicone, and now I'm pouring it here. The only problem in pouring and this, that we have to be really very fast, otherwise this will settle down and then we cannot do anything. See? Very soon you will see the cells are forming. They've started forming here. Now I will mix it little bit so that the look of sand and water, sea waves, will come on it. Okay, we can put little bit of silicone gel here. Few drops we will put. And these will give the feeling of bubbles. How I'm going to show you. So after doing this, I will take a straw and now other side. Now I am mixing this blue color to show the waves, and in the meantime in our tray where we put white and sand color, we can see nice cells are forming. So again in 3 minutes it is mixed. Now I'm going to pour it. I will pour it on this side.